So let me quickly now solve this question now. I have three simple questions that we can easily solve and easily play with. So the first one here, we have to find the angle A, B, and C. So number one solution. The first thing that you can just see from this place is that angle B and 55 degree are vertically opposite angle. Angle B and 55 degree are vertically opposite angle, and vertically opposite angle are equal. So B is equal to 55 degree. That is vertically opposite angles are equal. So vertically opposite angles are equal. So this B now is now 55 degree. The B is now 55 degree. So now let us look for C, angle C. If you notice something, if you look at this line here, you see that this, and this, they are on a straight line. They are on a straight line. And something you should know about the angle on the straight line is that the angle on the straight line is equal to 180 degree. So 62 degree plus C plus 55 degree is equal to 180 degree. That is angle in a straight line. Straight line. So angle in a straight line. So let us quickly now use our calculator. Our calculator to quickly solve this. I'm looking for my okay. So 62 plus 55 will give us 117. So 117 degree plus C will give us 180. So C will give us 180 degree minus 117 degree. And what is 180 minus 117? 117, that is 63 degree. So C is 63 degree. So I hope you understand that one like that. So we have gotten B as 55, and then our C, we have gotten it as 63. So C is equal to 63 degree. So the next thing on our agenda is now to find if we have different methods for it. Let me just show something. Method 1. Method 1. We can plus everything together since we already have our angle. So A plus 55 plus 62 plus 63 plus 63 plus 55. So A plus 62, 55, 62, 63 plus 65 equal to 360. That is angle at the point. So if I now add everything together, so 55 plus 62 plus 63 plus 55, it will give me 235. So A plus 235 is equal to 360. So A is equal to 360 minus 235. So let us look at theory 60 minus 235 will give us 125 degrees. So 125 degrees. And then we can actually now use this method too. If you remember something, that this A here and this one, they are vertically opposite. They are vertically opposite. And something that should have a vertically opposite angle are equal. So I can just use method 2. So A is equal to 62, this and this now. 62 degrees plus 63 degrees. That is vertically opposite angles are equal. So A will also give us 125 degrees. So that's the solution to the first work. So A is 125 degrees, B is 55 degrees, and C is 63 degrees. As simple as that. So let me do the second one also. Just look at it. You can pause the video to look at it. So let me look at this. Do the second one also. So look at this angle now. Look at this angle. And when we look at this angle, if we try and find alternate angle, corresponding angle, it might be difficult somehow. But there is something that we can actually do that will help our life to solve this number 2 question. Let me first draw the angle out. This is 40 degrees. This is 75 degrees. This is A and this is X. What we can do to help our life is to draw an imaginary line here. If we draw an imaginary line, we can easily solve this question. So we have an angle here, and then we have an angle here. Then if you now notice something, this angle and this angle, they are forming like a Z shape. I know something that I've already informed you about Z shape when I was teaching on alternate angle. So, okay, let me call this one B and let me call this one C. So this angle here is equal to 40 degrees. So C is equal to 40 degrees. And the reason is that alternate angles are equal. Alternate angles are equal. Now, if you now look at this angle B, this B alone here, this B alone, it is corresponding to 75 degrees. This B is a corresponding angle to 75 degrees. So B is equal to 75 degrees. Corresponding angles. Corresponding angles are equal. So B is equal to 75 degrees. So B is 75 degrees and C is 40 degrees. So and A is equal to B plus C. So A will just be equal to 75 degrees plus 40 degrees. 75 degrees plus 40 degrees. So what we are left is 115 degrees. So 105 degrees. So this angle here is 105 degrees. So let me show us the third one too. Let's look at the third one. So we are asked to find angle A, angle B, and angle C. If you look at something here, now this angle here is a straight line. And something about angle in a straight line is that angle in a straight line is equal to 180 degrees. So for number 3, I can just write 65 degrees plus A plus 47 degrees is equal to 180. That is angle in a straight line. Angle in a straight line. So 65 plus 47, that will give us 112 degrees. So 112 degrees plus A is equal to 180 degrees. So A will give us 180 degrees minus 112 degrees. So A is equal to 180 minus 112, which is equal to 68 degrees. So the angle A here, is 68 degrees. Now, let's now look at something. This angle here, it is alternate to the angle here. The angle here is alternate to the angle here. Let me call it angle K. So K is equal to 68. That's because alternate angles are equal. So K is equal to 68. And if K is equal to 68 like that, this B will be 180 minus K, because they are also in a straight line. So B plus K is equal to 180 degree angle in a straight line. Angle in a straight line. So what we have here is B plus 68 minus 180 degrees. So we have B is equal to 180 degrees minus 68. And what is 180 degrees minus 68? 180 degrees minus 68 will give us 1112. 1112. So B is 112 degrees. So it remains this C now. And if we notice something, that this line, like this, to this line here, to this K here, there is a Z here, man. If you do it like this, there is a Z here. There is a Z there. And this place and this place, they are alternate angles. So this angle here is also 68 degrees. Let me call it L. So L is equal to 68 degrees. Alternate angles. So this is equal to 68 degrees. Now we are looking for this C here. And if this L is equal to 68 degrees, this C also, that's the angle CED. Angle CED also equals to 68 degrees, because it is vertically opposite. They are vertically opposite angles. Vertically opposite angle. So that's that for today. I'll be giving some assignment on the WhatsApp group. And after I've given that assignment on the WhatsApp group, I will do the solution to that assignment too. So thank you very much and have a wonderful day. Bye bye.